Hey guys, we're going to do 2.4, see if things are parallel, perpendicular, and average rate of change. So the first question that they could ask you is if this line is parallel, perpendicular, or neither to this line. So what I would do is I would distribute first. And so I'd get y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 8. And then I would add 7 to both sides. So then I got y is equal to 2x minus 1. So these are not parallel or perpendicular because they're the exact same line. Another example could be, here's y is equal to 2x minus 1, and y minus 7 is equal to 2x plus 3. So I'm going to distribute and get 2x plus 6 and then add 7 to both sides. Because they have different y-intercepts but the exact same slope, these are parallel. Okay? Same but different. When they are the same everywhere, it's the same line. But same slope, different y-intercept. Okay? If they give you different slope, but the same y-intercept, that's just a cool fun fact that doesn't actually matter. If they give us, though, an equation, and they ask us to find the perpendicular line to it, what I do is I'm going to write y is equal to plus b, and we'll find out what b is in a little bit. Okay? We take the fraction, we flip it, and whatever the symbol is in front, we are changing it. Okay? Then they might say, and it goes through the point 2, 3. This would be my x, this would be my y. I would have 3 times 2 plus b. So 3 is equal to 6 plus b. So negative 3 is b. So something that is perpendicular to this and goes through this point is y is equal to 3x minus 3. I got that from here, and I got that from here. So to do another perpendicular, let's say that they gave us 2x minus 1. So this is an inner fraction, so we would make it go over 1. We would flip the fraction, and since there's no symbol in front, we're going to say plus. We would change the symbol to make it perpendicular, then plus b. And then we would solve from b. So let's say that it was 2, 1. That means x is 2, y is 1. So it'd be negative 1/2 times 2 plus b. So b is 2. So then our equation becomes y is minus 1/2 x plus 2. Okay? To find average rate of change, or arc, what they're asking for is there's some graph. And then they're going to say between x1 to x7. So we would go to x1 and x7, and when they're asking for what is the rate of change in this segment. To find that, let's say that they gave us f of x is equal to x squared minus x. And they want to say from x1, which happens to give us the y value of something, and we'll figure that out in a little bit. And then we have x4. So what I'm going to do is I am going to plug in x1 every time I see a 1 and every time I see an x. Okay? So 1 squared is 1 minus 1. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. And I'm going to do the same thing with 4. 4 squared minus 4, that is 16 minus 4, or 12. Okay, so now I have my 2 points that I care about. My 2 points are 1, 0, and my other point is 4, 12. I then go into my slope equation, which is which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I'm just going to plug them in. So my y2 is 12 minus 0 over 4 minus 1, which is 12 over 3, or 4. All right, if you guys have any questions, email me.